Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's session agenda is cybersecurity interview question and answer. Interviewer asks you directly what is a cybersecurity in your opinion. Now answer is cybersecurity is a technique of protecting the computer, network, program and protect the data from unauthorized access or attack that are aimed to exploitation. Second question, how you differentiate between IPS and IDS. IDS just detect the intrusion and send alert to the administrators. IPS are more powerful, it detect and also prevent them. Question 3. Can you explain me about the risk and threat? Answer is threat is any potential occurrence that may cause an undesirable outcome on the asset. Threat are two types, man-made like a hacking, information disclosure, and second is nature threat like a flooding and earthquake. When the attacker take advantage of vulnerability in your environment and exploit the weakness. Now risk. Risk is the possibility and likelihood threat will exploit the vulnerability. Risk can be measured threat, vulnerability and impact. The question 4. How do you report risk? Risk need to be assessed first before it can be reported. There are two ways to can analyze the risk. The one is quantitative and qualitative. Question number 5. How firewall works and how many type of firewall? Answer is firewall is a technology which monitor inbound and outbound traffic. Based on the certain rules, they protect internal infrastructure from outside attack. There are two type of firewall, stateless firewall and stateful firewall. Stateful firewall they track and keep the record of each session, and stateless firewall they not track the your sessions. The question number is 6. What is the difference between L7 firewall and L3 firewall? L7 firewall is the application based firewall. They monitor HTTP, FTP, SSL and DNS traffic. And L3 firewall is a network based firewall. They monitor network like TCP and UDP traffic. Question number 7. What is DMZ and how you implement? Answer is DMZ protect your internal network from outside attack. The purpose of DMZ only public accessible server are accessed by external user from untrusted network. Any external user cannot directly access your internal network. The DMZ firewall setup ensure incoming network packets are observed by the firewall. Service of DMZ including DNS server, FTP server, mail server and web server. Question number 8. Can you tell me the best security firewall posture? DMZ design and architecture. A single firewall and dual firewall. A single firewall, a DMZ with a single firewall design require 3 or more network interface. The first is external network which is connected to the public internet connection to the firewall, and second form of internal network, while the third connected to DMZ. Various rule and monitor and control traffic that allow to access the DMZ and limited connectivity to the internal network. Now dual firewall. Deploy two firewall with a DMZ between is generally a more secure option. The first firewall only allow external traffic to the DMZ and second allow traffic that goes from DMZ into the internal network. An attacker would have a compromise both firewall to gain access to the organization's LAN. Interviewer asks you what is the difference between hacking and cybersecurity. The hacking is totally illegal and mostly hacker motive are money, frame and destroy the organization data. In a cybersecurity is a technique of protecting the computer, network, program and protect the data from unauthorized access or attacks that aim to exploitation. Now question 10. What is the difference between vulnerability assessment and pen testing? Initially, the vulnerability assessment is an automatic scan used to identify the vulnerability. The result of scan will show our application, website and other system is vulnerable, while the pen test aim to exploit the vulnerability. The vulnerability management. On the other hand, ongoing program that use variety of tool and process that help to identify all vulnerability across your enterprise, but also help you to mitigate and improve your overall security postures.